So Dallas will get the first possession. Outside Irving. Here's the screen. Doncic. And a foul on the shot. He'll go to the stripe for two. This is his first free throw of the game. And he knocks down the first one. And so he hits both. And Minnesota has possession. Six on the shot clock. Pass to Conley. From outside, off the mark. Here are the Mavericks now. To the inside. Stripped away. We're about 1 minute into the first. That's good.
Well, I'll tell you what, the defenders didn't even get a sniff of him on that move to the hoop.
Pass to Hardaway. Now, here is Irving. Here's Powell. And he lobs it up. Trying to go for an alley-oop, but excellent defense and anticipation there to stop it. First quarter, about a minute and a half in. Tipped away. Shot clock at 6. Outside Hardaway. Left side Irving. And about 2 minutes played here in the first quarter. Pass to Conley. It's rebounded by Dallas. Down low. And here's Irving. Can't get it to fall.
Usually if he gets to the rim, he's converting it into points. But the defense stood tall there.
Here's Gobert. And the go-ahead bucket, no good. Now the Mavericks with it. There's a screen. Here in the first, just under 2.5 minutes played so far.
Boy, just by his body language, Kevin, you can tell he thought that triple was going to fall.
Pass to Conley. Here's Gobert. Back to Conley. Shoots the three. They get the rebound. Here's Gobert. And a missed layup.
Well, the effort was there, but he just couldn't quite fight his way through traffic.
Outside Irving. Doncic. No good on the three. Fast break. Here they come. Warren. And it's going to be 2 free throws. Drew contact on the shot. First trip to the free throw line for him in this one. And that one falls, and that puts him up by 1 point. So he gets them both. There's the pick. Doncic tries to snap the cold streak, and he tries off the glass, but it's no good.
He was the first one to react to that miss. Excellent anticipation on his part. A hustle play on the putback by him.
Out of bounds, Dallas will take possession.
I tell you what, that's just a major unforced error right there, guys. My goodness.
Left side Irving. Just under 3.5 minutes gone here in the first quarter. Right side Irving. Clock at 6. He's off from 17 feet. Outside Conley. That's tipped. Here's Gobert, and that one's good. A good close contest so far as we finish. Well, up to this point, a closely contested game as we start the second quarter. And let's quickly break down the game we're watching with the Timberwolves, guys. Conley with it. Puts up a three. The shot is off.
Boy, that's a surprising miss right there. He usually feasts on those wide open opportunities.
Timberwolves on offense. Got a piece of it. Smooth as silk on the finger roll.
That finish brings me back to the old days, the silky smooth finger roll.
They set the pick. And we're about a minute into the second quarter of play. And so he draws the foul on the shot, a trip to the line to shoot two. That free throw, no good. That one misses. Minnesota in the lead. Poked loose. Here we go, one-on-one. Pass to Irving. Takes it up with both hands and rips it down. We're about a minute and a half into the second quarter now. Now here's Conley. Now Conley. Pushing it up. Here's Paul. Terrific assist, a nice finish. Solid play all around.
Purely from a size standpoint, that is a mismatch that's going to be hard to overcome defensively.
Outside Conley. Takes the three, and he gets it to go. 7 points in the game.
That's his first triple of the game. It was a dry first half for him from long range.
Dallas calls timeout. And the Timberwolves making a change here. The Mavericks trail it. Now, here is Irving. The three ball. And that one is stuffed right through. Here's Gobert. Here's Gobert. No good with the layup.
You know, not only is the game neck and tight, but the rebounding battle is too. Extremely close on the boards.
Now, here is her. 5 to shoot. Pass to Jones. He tries for three, and he gets it to go.
They've owned the offensive glass here in the second.
And here is Conley. He's got 7. And here is Noel. And stolen by Kyrie Irving. Puts the lead pass in front of him. Conley with it. Will it go? They get it back. Noel with it. Washington. That free throw missing, and the Timberwolves making a change here. And he sinks the second. The Mavericks leading. Doncic. Stolen by Anderson. Here's Morris. So the whistle blows on the shot and 2 free throws for the contact right there. It's his first trip to the line. And Morris drops them both. Here's Irving. And we're through the first half of basketball here, and what's been a good one.